Class 10, there is some mistake in question number 8. Please correct it first. The length of the base diameter of a wooden toy of a conical shape is 10 centimeter. The expenditure for polishing upper surfaces, not whole surfaces. What you will write? Upper surfaces of the toy at the rate of rupees 2.10, not 1.50. Okay, 2.10 per centimeter square. It is written meter square. Please correct it. It will be centimeter square. Is rupees 429. Let us calculate the height of the toy. Let us also determine the quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. Okay, please correct it. Now class 10, in 8 number question, after correction, read the question. Diameter is given 10 centimeter, so I have written diameter as a 10 centimeter. Then radius will become 5 centimeter because diameter, radius half of diameter, 2 ones are 2 5 5 centimeter. Now after this read, the expenditure for polishing upper surfaces of the toy at the rate of rupees 2.10 centimeter per centimeter square is 429. Upper surfaces means we have to find area of curved surface. Okay, curved surface area we have to find. And what is the rate? Rate is rupees 2.10 per centimeter square and total cost is rupees 429. Whenever total cost is given to you and rate is given to you, means per unit cost is given to you, then how you will find area? Area equals to total cost by per unit cost. So what is total cost? 429 and per unit cost is 2.10. Okay, means 22 rupees 10 paise. Okay, now since it is given upper surfaces, it means area is for curved surface. That is why I have written in place of area pi RL, because we are taking upper surfaces, means curved surface. Now R is given 5, 22 by 7 into 5 into L equals to 429 by 2.10. Okay, after this what we will do? This 22 by 7 will come this side, it will become 7 by 22. This 5 by 1 will come this side, it will become 1 by 5. Now you have to solve this one. Now do one thing, remove this decimal and put 2 0 here. It will be easier for you to solve. Now 1 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 will come here, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 30, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Means L value you are getting 30. L equals to 13 centimeter. After cancellation you will get L equals to 13 centimeter. They are telling you to find, let us calculate the height of the toy. Height of the toy, radius is 5 centimeter, slant height you got 30 centimeter. So what is the formula for height? H equals to root over L square minus R square, means 13 square minus 5 square. You will get 169 minus 25 root over 144. It means 12. Means H value you are getting 12 centimeter. One more thing they are telling you to find. Let us also determine the quantity of wood which is required to make the toy. Whenever quantity of wood is given, it means that they are telling you to find volume. So you can write quantity of wood is equals to volume. That is why we are finding quantity. Means what is the weight? Weight is nothing but volume. Volume equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7. R square means 5 square will give you 25 directly. I have written here. H value is 14. H value is 12 here. Okay. So what will happen? After this what you will do? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 22 into 25 into 4 will give you 22,200 by 7. When you will divide this, you will get 314.285. When you will round off this, you will get 314.29 centimeter. So what will be your answer? Height will be 12 centimeter and quantity of wood which required to make a toy is 314.29 centimeter cube. Okay, copy this one. Class 10, see question number 9. The quantity of iron sheet to make a boya of right circular conical shape is 75 3 by 7 meter square. If in your book it is written meter cube, please correct it and make it 75 3 by 7 meter square. Okay, means it is given total surface area. If the slant height of it is 5 meter, then let us write by calculating volume of air in the boya and its height. So first they are telling you if slant height is 5, then find volume and height. See, if volume is already given to you, then how you will find the volume? That is why I am telling you it is not volume, it is total surface area 75 3 by 7 meter square. Okay, so two things are given to you. L equals to 5 centimeter, means slant height is 5 centimeter and total surface area is 75 3 by 7 centimeter square. Now pi value is 22 by 7, r value you don't know, L value is 5 equals to, when you will multiply this with this and add this, you will get 528 by 7. Now 7 ones are cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12, 2 fours are 8, 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 40, 11 twos are 22, 4 will come, 11 fours are 44. So you are getting 24 here. Okay, it means r square. Now this r will multiply with this r into r square, 5 into r, 5r equals to, here you are getting only 24. So you will write 24. Now plus 24 will come this side, it will become minus 24. You will get a middle term factor. You have to do a middle term factor, r square plus 5r minus 24. Means taking LCM, when I am doing 8 minus 3, I am getting 5, and 8 into 3 again I will get 24. You know how to do middle term. Now after opening the bracket and getting r value minus 8 and 3, I will not be able to take minus because radius will never be minus. So r value I have to take 3. Now L is 5 centimeter, r is 3 centimeter. You will get height. Height formula is root over L square minus r square, 5 root over 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9 root over 16, and 16 root is 4. So you got height 4 centimeter. They are telling you to find volume also, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7. R is 3 whole square h. Now 3 square will give you 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 22 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 22 into 3, 66, 66 into 4, you will get 264 by 7. Okay, how much you will get? 264 by 7. When you will divide, you will get 37, 5 by 7 centimeter cube. Okay, now in the second part they are asking, let us determine the expenditure to color the whole surface of the boya at a rate of rupees 2.8 per meter square. Same thing. Whole surface area. Whole surface area already given to you. What is the whole surface area? 528 by 7. Whole surface area is given. Whole or total surface area is given 75 3 by 7. When you are converting, you are getting 528 by 7 into 2.80. Whenever they will ask you total cost, what you will do? You will find the area and you will multiply that area with the rate per meter square or per centimeter square rate. So I am multiplying it meter per meter square rate, which is 2.80. When you will solve this one, you will get 211.2. You have to cancel this one, it will cancel, and you will get this one as a cost. Okay. So 3 answers we got. Height is 4 centimeter, volume is 37, 5 by 7 centimeter cube. This is centimeter cube. And total cost to color whole surface area at the rate of rupees 2.80 is 211.2. Okay, copy this one. Class 10, read question number 10. In a right circular conical tent, 11 persons can stay. How many persons? Total 11 persons can stay. For each person, 4 meter square space in the base and 20 meter cube air are necessary. Let us determine the height of the tent put up exactly for 11 persons. Okay, so in the first line they are telling that how many persons can live in that tent? 11 persons. and for each person base area is 4 meter square and air is 20 meter cube. Okay, and they are asking find the height for the tent, find the height of the tent put up exactly for 11%. They are not asking for 1%, they are asking for 11%. Now how you will do? Base area for 1% is 4 meter square. Now you will ask why I am understanding that this one is area and this one is volume. It's very easy here. What is given to you? Meter square. Square means it is area. And which area? Curved surface area or total surface area? It is neither curved surface area nor total surface area. Why? Because it is not mentioned that upper one or total. It is mentioned only base. Base means pi r square. Okay. So base area for 1% is 4 meter square. Base area for 11 persons. If base area for 1% is 4 meter square, base area for 11% will be 4 into 11, 44 meter square. Now in place of base area you can write pi r square equals to 44. Equation 1 I am giving. Okay. Now volume of air for 1%. 20 meter cube required, it is written for 1% necessary volume of air is 20 meter cube. So volume for 11 persons, again you have to multiply this one 20 into 11, 220 meter cube. And what is the formula for volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to 220. Now in place of pi r square you can put 44. So 1 by 3 I am writing as it is. In place of pi r square I will write 44 into h equals to 220. And I will write from equation 1. Okay. Now this one will cancel. No, we have to take all this left side. H equals to 220. It will become 1 by 4, 1 by 44 and 3 by 1. Now 11 table, 11 4s are 44, 11 2s are 22, 0. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 5 3s are 15. H equals to 15 meter. Okay, so height we got how much? Height is 50 meter. Okay, so in answer what you will write? Height of the tent, height is 15 centimeter for exactly 11%. Okay, copy this one. Now class 10, read question number 11. The external diameter of conical coconut made of thermocol is 21 centimeter in length. To wrap up the outer surface of the coronet with foil, the expenditure will be rupees 57.75 at the rate of 10 paise per, make it centimeter. Okay, centimeter square. Either you can do all in all the place centimeter or you can do meter. In my book, in some place it is given centimeter and meter, so I am making all this in centimeter. You can make it all this in meter also. Okay, let us write by calculate the height and slant height of the coronet. Okay, so diameter is given 21 centimeter, radius will be 21 by 2, it means 10.5 centimeter, and they are saying only outer surface. Outer surface means curved surface area. So curved surface area is total cost by per unit cost, because total cost is given 57.75 and per unit cost is given 10 paise. Okay, this one is rupees, this one in paise, then you have to convert this paise into rupees, means divided by 100. When you will divide by 100 and you will convert this into multiplication, 0 0 will cancel, and 57.75 will multiply with 10, it will give you 577.5 centimeter square. Means curved surface area you got 577.5 centimeter. Now that is our written pi r equals to 577.5 centimeter. Pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 10.5 into L. L I will write as it is, and I am taking 22 by 7 this side, it will become 7 by 22. 10.5 this side will become 1 by 10. 1 by 10.5. Now point 10 cancel. Now using 11 table, 7 ones are 7, 7, 1 is 7, 3 will go, 7 5 are 35. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 ones are 5, Again 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are 11, put 0 because we are taking these two at a time, so 11 5s are 55. Okay. Then this 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 will come, 3 5s are 15, means 35 by 2. Here you have 35 and here you have 2, so 35 by 2 when you will divide you will get 17.5 centimeter as your lateral slant height. Okay. Now height equals to root over L square minus R square. L is 17.5 whole square. R is 10.5 whole square. When you will do whole square, if this is the last day also same thing you have done. You are getting 306.25. 10.5 square will give you 110.25. Then you will subtract, you will get root over 196 and root of 196 is 14 centimeter. Means in answer you will write slant height is 17.5 and height is 14 centimeter. Okay, copy this one. Now class 10, see question number 12. It is given a heap of weight in the shape of a right circular cone. Its base diameter is 9 meter and height is 3.5 meter. Let us determine the total volume of weight. Let us calculate the minimum quantity of plastic sheet to be required to cover up this heap of a weight. So diameter is given 9 meter and height is given 3.5 meter. So diameter is 9, radius will be 9 by 2. Height is 3.5 and converting to fraction it will come 7 by 2. Okay, first they are telling to find volume. So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 9 by 2 whole square into 7 by 2. Okay, when you will solve this one you will get 105.975 meter cube as a volume. Please solve this one. Okay, you know how to solve it. Now they are asking the second part. Let us calculate the minimum quantity of plastic sheet is to be required to cover a heap of weight. Minimum quantity of plastic sheet means they are saying that to cover that one, what is the surface area, curved surface area. When you will cover anything using plastic, then what you will get, curved surface area of that shape. Okay, so that is why quantity of plastic sheet equals to pi r. Pi r is in pi, in place of pi you write 3.14 into 9 by 2 into 5.7. Okay, first thing I have to tell you this because we need L here, and from where we will got L, same h square equals to L square minus r square. When you will solve this one you will get root over 130 by 2. Okay, why I am showing you this, because in your question 130 value is already given which is 11.4 and root 2 value you know 1.414. So you can put it here and you will solve, you will get L value 5.7. When you will get L value, you can put in place of pi r L which is 3.14 into 9 by 2 into 5.7. You will get 80.541 meter square. So this is the quantity of plastic sheet required to cover, and this is your volume. Okay, copy this one. Class 10, your homework is short question number 13, B and C, 14, 1 to 5. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the email ID and submit your homework by tomorrow. Thank you.